Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to post on Craigslist without getting flagged. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Craigslist.org website right here and log into your account if you haven't already. If you do not know how to log into your account, you can do that by clicking the account button right here in the upper right corner, and then you can either go and sign up for a new account or log into an existing one. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Craigslist, where you can see all the product categories that you can browse and buy and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to not get flagged when posting. So guys, if you want to post an ad, what you have to do is go ahead and click the post button right here, right next to your account, click on post, and this will now enable us to go ahead and create a new post. So guys, maybe you will get flagged by Craigslist, and to prevent this, what you have to do is take into consideration why Craigslist has flagged you. You have to make sure not to post too many ads in a day. Sometimes Craigslist can interpret it that like if you're spamming or maybe you are a bot. So make sure not to make too many ads at the same time. Make sure to spread them out over several days or several hours, and also make sure to maybe use some other catches. Do not just make the same product ad over and over again, make it for different products and so on. So basically guys, you just have to go ahead and be slow and not to over spam the website with ads, and this is the only thing that you have to do to not be flagged, as Craigslist usually does not flag without a reason. But yeah guys, basically that is just what you keep in mind when posting ads. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.